Welcome back to the garage, boys. I haven't made an update video in a long time. Figured I'd do another one. 951 is still in the garage. It's doing well. We installed per my last video, the bigger fuel pump. Tested the duty cycle of the injectors under full load. I went from like an 80% duty cycle on full load down to like a 45% duty cycle. So the fuel pump was definitely starving. I'm happy we replaced it. Seems to be working well. The next step we're going to do, it's winter time, so the car is going to be in here for a little while. We're going to upgrade the boost pipes to 2.5 inch, fit the QRJ recirculation valve, all homemade stuff. I got a pipe kit from eBay. Those are 2.5 inch pipes, $80 for the kit. The kit itself's pretty nice. The pipes are just a smidge under 2.5, but that's how things run, kind of like the wood industry. A 2x4 isn't really a 2x4, but that's a whole other topic. The clamps that it comes with are kind of finicky. They're not high-end ones. They're Chinese. And the silicone's okay. But for $80, you can't really go wrong. Here is what we're working with. So here's the QRJ. Also, shout out to Boost Brothers with the beer. Have a good holiday, guys. Have a couple for me. Back to the pipes. Got some pipes laid out here. The straight pipe, I think what we're going to wind up doing is getting rid of this bend, changing this coupler out here, and probably just being able to go with a straight pipe right across to the intercooler, and I'll fit the bungs that I need to put on there. So that's a pretty easy fab setup. The other piece is this 45, and again, we can clean this up because I don't have the air box. I'm running the M-Tune on here. I could probably get away with something like this. A little bend there. I could put the diverter valve wherever I want on this, but it should work pretty good. But that's where we're at now. I got to fab these up, find a welder, get them taken care of. But I wanted to give you guys an update. It's been a while. Don't know if I'll have another video before Christmas, so to all you guys out there supporting my products on 944 store and just on the web and stuff, have a good Christmas. Have a happy New Year. Let me know if you need something. Other than that, peace out, guys.